In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your project in Base44 for 2025 with an easy step-by-step guide. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into Base44 by heading over to base44.com. Once you've logged in, locate and open the project that you're ready to publish. This initial step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial for launching your project into the public domain. Next, you'll want to focus on finishing and testing your application. To do this, click on the Preview button within your project workspace. This feature allows you to test your app's pages, buttons, forms, and the whole user flow, both on desktop and mobile devices. It's essential to ensure the app works seamlessly across different devices to provide a consistent user experience. If you find anything that isn't quite right or isn't functioning as intended, fix those issues now before you move forward with publication. Once you're confident in the functionality of your app, it's time to consider its visibility. If your application requires users to log in, you'll need to configure this setting. Navigate to Settings, then App Visibility, where you can choose whether your app will be public or require a login. Remember, this setting will dictate how users can access your app once it's published, so choose carefully based on your app's needs and purpose. Now, with your app fully tested and the visibility settings adjusted, you are ready to officially publish your project. Head to the top right corner of the editor and you'll spot the Publish button. Clicking this will set the process in motion to build the live site. Base44 does the heavy lifting here by handling all aspects of hosting and SSL certificates automatically, which makes launching your project much simpler. Once the publication process is complete, Base44 will provide you with a live URL. Copy this URL and share it as you see fit. But first, it's wise to ensure your project is publicly accessible as you intended. Open the URL in an incognito window or on another device to confirm that everything is functioning correctly and mirrors what you observed in the preview mode. By following these steps, you can confidently publish your project in Base44, making it accessible to your intended audience. Remember that attention to detail in each of these stages will help ensure your app runs smoothly and delivers the best experience to end users. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to publishing your project in Base44. Happy launching!